goose in there, and I'm going in.
Please enter your... Thank you. Please pull forward slowly.
Oh, the goose left. That pressure washer does not sound promising. Anyways, I just started filming this because there was a goose in here, but we might as well do a revisit. This is the LaserWash 360 off of Park East Lane in Lafayette, Indiana. And I was just on my way back from something, and the car got quite dirty. So I figured I'd get a car wash, but just based off the sound of that there, this might be a rough one. Starting with pre-soak. It seems they never reattached the cover once it came off all those years ago. This used to be a Phillips 66. It has since been bought out by Circle K. And you know, with Circle K changing everything to MarkVIIs, would not be surprised if they just replaced this thing at some point here. It's pretty rough shape. There's a leak in the chain, which I'll have to switch over to later. Oh, that sounded great. And we're cruising back up here. Second coating was a little bit better. All right, okay. Double pass in the front, much needed. And focus on the wash arm, please. You can do it, phone. There we go. Wow, nice slow passes. And you know, I think I vaguely remember that from the last time I was here. You can see the leak just a little bit. Watch it come over the top. This is the top wash package purchased, by the way. It's surface protectant. It does have trifoam nozzles. So we'll probably get that on the way up. And we get trifoam that's not really, didn't get the whole vehicle. So pretty pathetic trifoam application, especially on that right side. I'll have to go back and watch the other videos to see how it used to be. I mean, I think it's safe to assume it's deteriorated, condition-wise. It still says polishing, by the way. So I guess we get another high pressure cycle. This one moving a little bit quicker. And by a little bit quicker, I mean a lot quicker. It says spot free rinse now. Rolling into a high pressure spot free rinse. I wonder why they've got the rain arch there if they don't use it. Another slow pass of high pressure spot-free rinse. Oh, sorry, first slow pass of high pressure spot-free rinse. That's a lot of water getting in there. Oh no. Oh. That doesn't sound good. Sounds like we got a bad dryer. As far as I can tell, all are running. Might be that first one that's dead. All those two are spinning. I didn't get a look at that far right one. That is a ton of water coming in through here now though. So that's wonderful. That's why they got the drain there. So yes, all three are spinning. PDQ may not know how to do standalone dryers, but for some reason their dryers just work so much better when they're on board. Looks like it's a fairly new motor on the wash arm there. And that's it. So that was a LaserWash 360 that's in rough shape here at Circle K off Park East Boulevard in Lafayette, Indiana. Thank you for watching.